Hey guys, today we're going to be testing my smoke alarm collection. Forgot what part this is, so without further ado, let's test my 770 LBX. So, let me just get the battery terminal thing out. This thing is very hard to get the batteries off. So yeah. Let me just get the battery on. Alright. Now let's test it. Okay. Now let's test my 4120B. Okay. I don't know why they got rid of this little thing, because it makes the batteries get out easier. Dying sound. Just dying sound. Alrighty. Now, let's do my CO5120 PDBN. Cycle through the modes. No memory. Notes. What the hell? Man. Dang it. Well, that's an alarm that I'm gonna have to fix. But, I'm very disappointed in that one. Because that alarm was very special to me. And now it's slightly broken. So, now let's do it. SC9120B. Okay. Now we're going to do my second SC9120B that has its horn malfunctioning. So let's just, oh damn. The button's loose. I don't know why. Oh, I didn't know that. Well, dang. I don't know what's going on today. Damn, why is the cover coming off? I guess my SC9120B doesn't want to work too. Great. I don't know what's going on with my collection today. I don't know what's going on today, but it certainly is not good. Okay. AC powered alarm won't work without AC power. So, yeah. Now, I know that this piezo is kind of broken. So, yeah. I already know that this thing is broken. Yes, see. The battery fell out. So now let's go to my other, my other 12, no, not 12, 0915. Excuse me. Okay, now let's do my third 0915. Okay. Now, can't do my 1285 because that one's broken. Now let's do my I-9070. By the way, this video is not scripted at all. Like, none of my videos are, so. So, yeah. I have trouble with speaking and stuff without stuttering. So, that's why I have not fun in my videos. Well, I have fun testing the alarms, just not, you know. Oh, the battery was number wrong. Okay. Now, let's move on to my broken like 12060 if I could get the battery drawer open. Alright. Hold on. Ready? I got the battery out. No, I can't do this one. It's only AC powered for now because the battery drawer is broken. So I can only do it with AC. Now let's do my other 1276. Okay. Now let's do my I-12060. Okay. Now let's do my other 12060 that has kind of a broken battery drawer. Okay. Gotta get the it's really hard to get out. Hold on. Okay, so I got the battery out. Now I can't do this because it's broken. Let's do my 0910. Okay. Now let's do my N9050. Okay. Now I can't do this one. This one's expired. I could do it, but I only have 2 batteries, and this alarm right here and this alarm take 3. So I don't even know why I have the batteries right there. I will steal my HC135F. Okay. Now let's do my I-1040. Okay. Now let's do my 2nd gen CanSeal PIC. Really rare. Get the mounting bracket off. Okay. Got the mounting bracket off. Let's stick a battery in and hold on, my mom's calling me. I don't know what she was calling about, but now let's do my i4618A. Okay. Now let's do my burnt I-9040. Okay. Now my FADC is broken. Let's do my Nighthawk Piano 9000. Really rare. I've only ever found 2 of these on eBay, and that was the one that I got from the lot with James, Photo Electric Elevators, and I've only found 2 on eBay so far, which was mine and James's. Now, I don't know if anybody else has these, the one with the Nighthawk logo, but yeah, let's give it a test. Alright. Now, this is broken because this is expired. And now let's do my first alert, plug-in carbon monoxide alarm. All right. That's it. Bye.